Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4, let's go for the settings. Then scroll down and click on the General Management. Click on the Language and Input. Right now we have to enter on-screen keyboard. Tap on the Samsung keyboard. Go for the Style and the Layout. Click on the keyboard themes. And you can change it between the dark and the light. It of course depends of your preference. And if you want to select it, just tap on the apply. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.